All right, Karnataka has now become the 20th state to ban cow slaughter. The anti-cow slaughter bill was passed in the state assembly. The new law seeks a total ban on slaughter of cows and stringent punishment for those involved in smuggling, illegal transportation and atrocities to cows. The Congress has alleged that the bill was introduced and passed without any discussion and have called it a murder of democracy. The bill will be tabled in the Karnataka Council today. The Congress and JDS will boycott today's session. Karnataka now joins Gujarat and Uttar Pradesh in passing a law against cow slaughter. The Saffron Party has organized a Gau Puja at its headquarters to thank the state government today.
जो 1964 में कायदा था हमारा जानवर का वो कायदा को मैंने थोड़ा सुधार के वो टाइम में वो कायदा थोड़ा सा लूज था ऐसा मुझे लगने के बाद हमारे सरकार ने हमारे मुख्यमंत्री ने निर्णय लिया है कि इसमें हम अच्छा से गौ माता की रक्षा हो, प्राणी की रक्षा हो, गौ माता का सगरा न जाए.
When the bill is introducing, they have to circulate the copies of the bill to all the members. Even with the minister, there was no bill at all. No copy of the bill is circulated to members. It's a breach of privilege. That is why you are opposing it. They wanted to polarize the votes because Talaka Panchayat, Gram Panchayat elections are there.
Now we have made some amendments to the existing bill in which it says all the cows and calves are banned in slaughtering. We have allowed the slaughter of buffalo after 13 years of age. And if anybody commits any illegal activity in transporting cow or culling cow or dispensing the cow, he will be punished. Both the seller and purchaser will be punished.
The Congress party will have a different plan of action on this. This is not on the minorities or issue. The entire farmer community is being affected, and it is not already a bill of slaughter is there in Karnataka. There was no need of bringing this. They wanted to help the BJP political party agenda is there.
ये भारत है, हिंदुस्तान है, हिंदुस्तान में गो हमारा माता है. क्यों ये स्टैंड नहीं अच्छा नहीं होता हम देखेंगे, क्योंकि गो हत्या भारत में निषेध होने के पहले कौन सा देश में होता है. इसलिए हम तो डिसीजन लिया है. गो हत्या बहुत लोगों ने वो गो का चोरी करता है.
They are not ready to discuss this bill. They don't want the MLS to know what is there in the bill. It is totally broad just to benefit the BJP in the Gram Panchayat elections. This is not the protection of animal bill. It is the election bill which BJP wants to benefit. They have no intention of protecting any animal.
All right, connecting to my colleague Nolan Pinto joining us for more. Nolan, politically, it's not astute for Congress to oppose this bill. Why are they opposing it?
Well, in fact, the Congress says that it's the farmers who are going to suffer over here. They're not saying anything else. They're just saying that they need to do something for the farmers. That is one of the reasons why they are actually opposing it. In fact, they're also, what really happened is this: they boycotted the entire session today. But while all that is happening, what we are told is that the members of the Legislative Council actually took part in the session. They didn't attend the assembly session. This is what's happened. The Congress also went about with the Padayatra over there, walking from the Vidhan Sauda to the Freedom Park, telling the farmers that we are with you on these particular issues against the recent land reforms bill that was passed in the council, and also against the anti-cow slaughter bill, saying that the farmers are going to get affected. So this is interesting because the Congress yesterday stated that this was not discussed in the Business Advisory Committee. The bill copies were not provided to all the members of the House to even read it, and that is why they're protesting.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.